cellphone mo kay Luna? Bulaulo. Ikot ka na na. Yan trabaho niya. Okay. Huwag yan. Yan. Basta lang. Hindi na, maano yan.
Ano yan? Candy? Uy! Sige! Ikaw na!
Ay! Ano lang kayo? 65. Ako na. 5 lang.
5 lang. Ano ba yan, Poshi?
Bawal yan sa'yo. Kasi pag uwi mo kaya nakagaling sa doktor. Pagka kumain ka niyan, ako ikaw naman dadaling sa doktor. Gusto mo? Yan lang cellphone mo pa eh. Hindi ko naman nagsasabi mo.
Saan na nga tayo?
Baka iniwan mo sa taas.
Ano ba yung inamin niya?
Is that a movie?
Hindi pa. Hindi.
Is that a movie?
Yan, bakit yan?
Buko Martin. Buko Meron.
Yung mga ganda. Yan, ano yan? Ganda yan. Ibigyan sa atin eh.
Ate sa mga lahat, ipaano mo kay Tita? Asahin natin mo yung inaano niya. Kailangan ko ito na.
Patawa, ayan din yun.
Oo.
O, ayan na.
Yan.
Ano nga?
Ayan na nga. Kabato. Ito yung mga pinapanood niya. Oo.
Ano yan? Ay, ayun.
Mga ganyan.
Ay, mga shorts. O, ano yun? Tingnan. Ano yan? Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig zombie. Oh. O, ayan na. Maganda. Peppa Pig zombie. Kailangan na yun. Papasundo siya. Hindi na siya. Ay, sumawa. Ito, ganda oh.
Babalik na babalik.
Babalik ko dali na siya. Oh. Peppa Pig oh.
mamaya na to, mamaya pagkain. Hindi ka na labas tayo, labas. Labas kayo na.
Ba't kaya ate Angel? Hindi kayo. Ay, pala meron ka pala eh.
Hindi mo siya na ano. Gusto niya.
Nang.
Huwag lang candy, ha?
Ang bibigay.
Nani!
Okay.
Bili kayo din, ano. Dali.
Bigay mo nga lang. Yun. Bilis ah.
Wait ka ha.
Mas Robby. Bye-bye. Dali, piprito yun.
Back in 2016, these people were hiking with Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Ay! Hala. Hindi pa sila umakyat. Ano yun? Saan galing yun? Tubig?
With his clients, and he realized he forgot his wallet.
Ay! Naman. Buti, nakalis na siya, no?
Back in 2018, his massive mudslide in
Ay!
Switzerland caused coming down the mountain.
Ay, tinagay yung kotse yun. Ay, puti. Hindi. Ay, pa umalis nung ali. Yeah! Kidnap?
In 2023, the driver shot a landslide.
Landslide. Boom! Boom!
In 2014, the volcano exploded and
Dito ka na, dito. Masyado malapit ka, kaya lumalabo mata mo. What's that? Yeah. Ano yan? Padibar. Padibar ka na naman.
Look up! Papala!
Yeah.
Look! Wait mo lang.
What happened?
Wala. Look!
Oh, ano yan, vulkan?
Putok yan.
On November
Ano?
2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
Oh, sama? Yes?
The volcano
Yeah. Ew. Takot ako. some force that helps protect us. Is the tallest bodybuilder in the world. His height is 6'10", which is literally me and Michael stacked on top of each other. He is tall, strong, and muscular. So today we will spend 24 hours with him to see how strong he is and his day in life. And at the end of the day, we will be comparing the tallest bodybuilder to my smallest family member. But first, let's meet him. Guys, the bodybuilder is on his way. This is about to be so crazy. Can you imagine? Oh my God! Hi, Luca. You look even taller than I thought you would be. Let's wait till time. My friends are waiting for you. You want to come in?
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Oh my God. This is so crazy. Guys, look at what's wrong. Meet Lucas. What up, Hello, Lucas. Hello, sir.
Brad.
Okay, we got it. Oh my. He's the world's tallest bodybuilder in the world. Oh, wow. That is a lot bigger than my head.
What?
Lucas's massive size comes from great genetics and years of training. Guys, guess how tall he is? You bigger? 7'8". No, I think at least 7 foot. Well, then, let's check. The first thing we want to know about Lucas is how big his size is. Because Lucas is a bodybuilder, it's only right if we check how big his biceps are. Guys, it's 20 inches. What? His head is 20 inches too. His button's out of my head. His eyes. Okay. And then, next one. What? His head? Humongous. Now let's compare his height to some other things. Okay, guys, this is how my queen on his bed looks on me. Lucas, do you want to try?
Let's try it.
Oh my God. Okay, so this is a baby-sized bed for her. How do you sleep?
My bed much bigger.
Bigger? Bigger? What, like a queen? A king? A double king?
No, bigger size.
Emperor? This wasn't that big. Wait, can we check how big his gun looks next to you? Let's see. Oh my God.
No, guys, it's not funny.
So what do you use?
I like pizza.
Like that. Wait, how do you use the keyboard then? Like is the keyboard like this and go boom, boom.
Yeah.
What? So we got to another spot. This is the bathroom. How about you try to get into the bathroom?
Let's try it. No, it's too small for him. Yeah.
Okay, so now this bathroom is way bigger.
Let's try. Ouch! Everything's so small.
Wait, don't worry. I know just one good place where you can take a shower. Come.
Let's go.
Here he should fit. So now I think this is the perfect bathroom for you. And I think you can make a pool party. What? A pool party?
Ano yung cellphone yan?
It's a shower,
Ha?
guys.
Shower? So what do you
Hello?
do with that?
I need the ocean.
After seeing how big of a tub Lucas would need just to shower, we want to give him our special gift. Okay, so we are so happy to have you here that we even got a big present for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Michael, bring in the suitcase.
Ano si Papa?
Got your own personal
Sundo?
carry-on bag because we know how hard it is to have a lot of clothes, especially your size, fit in a bag. So now you can put whatever you want. You can can even put yourself inside.
Yeah, it's exactly my size.
I also got another gift for you. This is the largest size shirt I've ever found. Okay? Is it good at the back? Oh, I think I just heard it rip. Are you? And it ripped. It's always the biggest size, huh? It's okay. Alright, we have one more gift for you. One more.
Cool.
When you wear it in the bathroom, you hit your head off of something. Like whenever you walk into a room, you always hit your head off something. So now, what do we say?